Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 288 different strategies, with 89 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 180 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,009 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, this Tradingview Indicator predicts 100% accurate scalping trades. And so of course we're going to put that to the test, but we know right off that no indicator and no strategy is going to be 100% accurate. At some point it's going to take a losing trade. So we know that the claim from the source video is a little bit suspect starting right off. But let's go ahead and put the strategy to the test. So we'll hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings on this. And what we're going to do is under the max bars, we're going to change that to 10,000. Then we're going to scroll down here. So we're looking for feature 1, parameter A right here. We're going to change that to 10. We're then going to go down to feature 3, parameter A. I'm going to change that to 10. And then we're going to go down to feature 4, parameter A, change that to 10. And then everything else stays on the default settings. I think I did go in and let's see, scroll down here. If you scroll down to the very bottom, they turn off the show bar prediction values, this one right here, uncheck that. And if we scroll back up to the top here, then right under where we set the max bars back, I did turn off the show trade stats right here. Go ahead and uncheck that and then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the advanced RSI. And it's going to be this one here by Crypto C. And so advanced RSI and then type in the Crypto C right there. Click on that and add it to the screen. And on this one, we will jump into the settings as well. The RSI length, you're going to change to 9. And then scroll down to the duration alert threshold and make sure that is set to 10. And under this one, let's see, we did hide the tables right here as well. Go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade. So when we get a red or kind of brownish maroon colored tag, I'm not sure what you want to call it, but we'll say it's red, this kind of maroon red tag. And at the same time, we want a red background, like you see this red stripe right here. When those two line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. Put your trade right there. I'm going to put my stop right above the top of this tag right here, the red tag. And I'm going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit, but price does eventually stair step its way down, getting us to our take profit. It's kind of hard to see there, but if we turn off that, now you can see prices come down, hitting our take profit. All right, for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be a green tag right here like this. That one is a little bit easier to see that color there. And when we get that green tag from the Lorentzian indicator, at the same time we want to have a blue background. Now I know it's really hard to see, but on this bar right here, if I move my mouse out of the way, you can see a very faint line there. It looks almost gray, and that's going to be the start of the blue line, just like we saw the red line here. So if I scroll back a little bit, see these blue lines here. So that's kind of what we're looking for there, that teal colored line. If I bounce this indicator off and on, might be able to see that background just a tad bit easier. And so that's going to be our signal to enter into a long when those line up. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below the bottom of the green tag there. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, this one takes a little bit longer, but we eventually make this spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 20% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $16,000 for an overall loss of $10,000 altogether. So definitely not a 100% accurate scalping strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 91 trades altogether. We had 73 winning trades and 18 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $43,800. The losing side, you'd have lost $21,600 for an overall gain of $22,200. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and so super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy Forex Indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 5 trades altogether with 5 winning trades, putting it at a 100% win rate. That would have been a gain of $3,000. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 1 winning, 1 losing, a 50% win rate. That would have been a drawdown of $260. So for the week, we would have been up $2,740. And at the 29-week total now, we would have been up $49,030 over 227 trades. And so definitely great results from the Academy of Forex Indicator. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.